Hey Rachel, I'm Dini Klein. I'm the founder of the Prep and Rally Meal Prep System and author of the Prep and Rally Cookbook. The whole concept of the Prep and Rally book is to prep on Sunday so that all week long you could rally through stress-free. So today I'm going to show you how to take my spiced rub barbecue chicken, and then we're going to roll it over into 3 completely different dinners all week long. We have our chicken and broccoli egg rolls with ranch dip. We have our Mexican-inspired flautas with the salsa roja, and then we have our stuffed chicken pita pockets, which are grilled to perfection. You are going to love these recipes. So let's get started making our barbecue rubbed chicken. I have a mix of smoked paprika, chili powder, onion and garlic powder, salt, and some cumin. Mix it all together and rub it all over your chicken. Really want to make sure that you coat both sides of your chicken. Adding some olive oil, and then I'm going to add some black pepper. Let's pop this in the oven, 450 for about 45 to 50 minutes. Looks so good. Let's jump into my chicken and broccoli egg rolls with ranch dip. So all you're gonna need is your barbecue rubbed chicken that I've just shredded. I have some roasted broccoli from the week. I have some barbecue sauce, and of course, egg roll wrappers. And it is always a staple in the freezer. Water to seal the egg rolls is seriously the best. These are unreal. Now we're gonna make some Mexican-inspired flautas with salsa roja. All we're gonna do is just heat up our corn tortillas on both sides, and the warmth is gonna help keep the tortilla nice and pliable. And then you're just going to take some of your chicken, and all you're gonna do is just roll him on up. That's it. So I've just thrown together a really quick and easy salsa roja. All I've done is just roasted some tomatoes, roasted some onion, garlic, added some fresh cilantro and lime juice, and blended it all up. Let's move on to number 3, which are my grilled chicken pita pockets. You have your barbecue rubbed chicken, and to that we're going to add some sun-dried tomatoes. Get that right into your bowl. The juice of a lemon, some garlic powder, capers. If you don't like them whole, you can totally cut them in half. A little bit of mayo. And I like adding some nice fresh herbs. So I'm using dill today because that's just what I had on hand, but really whatever you like. A little mix around. All right, let's get stuffing. I like stuffing them in pita pockets. You can, of course, do it any way you like. I've heated my grill pan here. All we're gonna do is just add some oil. When it's nice and hot, you're going to add your little pita pockets, gently pressing down because you want to get those beautiful grill marks. Sometimes what I even like to do is grab a lid from a large pot just to really squeeze them down to get those nice grill marks. Look at that, delicious pita pockets. Cheers, you guys.